Happy Tuesday, Move Me Poetry community. Today we're going to flex our poetic muscle. We're going to talk about the nonce form. All right, a nonce form is basically a one-time form, meaning that you actually make the rules for the form. So you get this idea, the muse is hitting you, you write down your notes, and things like that. You decide if you're going to use a refrain. You decide on a rhyming scheme, the line length, all those things. And sometimes when we take our rough draft and we move it into a final draft, sometimes that hidden form is kind of there. There's a rhythm that comes through, or a line starts to become a refrain. Now, nonce form, which is actually a form, is different than free verse, because we should, as readers, or as you read it aloud and things like that, should experience the form, whatever rules that you decided on. And once you decide on those things, when you edit, sometimes then the poetic idea kind of changes. So a nonce form is a one-time use form that you build the rules for. And it could be something as simple as 6 syllables per line. It could be a rhyming scheme that has every third word rhymes. It doesn't matter. It's your poetic muscle. So here's an example of a somewhat simple nonce form. It's called He Fades Away. He fades away as the world moves from summer to fall to winter and spring. Stars shine and suns sets. He fades away, writing junior high love poems, giving high school rings to vows that should not be broken. He fades away, hands rough and broken, knees replaced and poppin', forgotten keys and wallet. He fades away. A generation soon will not remember his face or even the importance of his name. He fades away. Now, in this example, I chose this one because you can visually kind of see the rules. I have a refrain that starts before each stanza. And each stanza, there's no rhyming per se or line length, but there's 3 lines. And so you can kind of actually visually see the form also. All right, so the nonce form is up to you and your poetic muse. We do need, though, to experience the form. We should figure out whatever it is, the simple rule, like I said, of syllables per line, or complex use of refrains and rhyming schemes. We should experience it. So this will be an interesting one. After all these lessons and stuff, you get to build your own poetic form. I'm excited to see what you guys do.